You have big goals in your life. You've even heard visualization is the key to reaching those goals. But you still hold back. Why? The most common excuse? You don't have enough time. Well, who has enough time? According to a Gallup poll, 48% of Americans feel like they don't have enough time to do the things they want to. Between work projects, family obligations, the need for a social life, and a little thing called sleep, the day tends to slip past, without exactly giving you extra hours in the day to use on something like visualization. In truth, you don't need much time. All you need is to start. You can use visualization for success in less than 30 minutes a day. So, how do you use visualization for success? Start out relaxed. Anytime you're jittery or anxious, you're not going to get things done effectively. It's better to start relaxed. This is why, for optimal visualization, you must start with some deep breathing to calm yourself. This sets you up for success right at the start. Still having trouble? A short round of meditation can also help. Stay fixed in reality while doing visualization, stick with what you know. For example, if you're concentrating on your work life, picture your office and coworkers as they are. Turning them into woodland creatures in a vast jungle is only going to complicate matters unnecessarily. Focus on what you're doing. Most visualization exercises focus on the end goal. While this feels wonderful, it can require more time to work in the long run. Instead, spend less time on the conclusion and more on the journey itself. How are you trying to get there? What are you doing now? What steps need to follow? By using visualization as a roadmap, you will save a lot of time in the visualization itself, and in the application of the visualization later. These steps are designed to let you arrive at the ultimate goal faster, leaving you with more time for all those other goals you have. Use all your senses. Here's where you want to put in the bulk of your visualization time. Layer in every one of your senses when creating your imagery. You want to see, touch, feel and hear the experience. Why? Again, this is where the power of the visualization comes from. Making the picture as complete as possible leads toward faster success in the long run. Here's a tip. When using these steps, set a timer, and don't let yourself go beyond 30 minutes a day. As you grow more accustomed to the process, it will even take a little less time. If you want to learn how to achieve your goals faster, visit www.evolvelifeskills.com and download our free audio.